What's going on, guys? Billy here with billyshultzmusic, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play GRoCERIES by Chance the Rapper. Before we jump into the video, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and make sure you click the little notification bell next to it, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free, brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar-related prizes and accessories, so stick around to the end of the video. I'll get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and I will have the tab for it that I made myself in the bottom of the description, so if you need that, once you get done with the video, go check the bottom of the description. I will have the guitar tab there. So you're starting 5th fret D string, then you're going 6th fret A string, then 8th fret D string, then 5th fret G string, 5th fret D string, then 8th fret A string, 6th fret A string, back to the 5th fret on your D string, 6th fret A string, 8th fret D string, 5th fret G string, back to the 8th fret on your D string, then 8th fret A string, 6th fret D string, and then 5th fret D string. If you need to see those notes, just rewatch that part because I think it's going to be easier for me to just play through this very, very slowly so you guys can see it. So again, if you want to look at the notes again, just rewind that part, watch it again. But what I'm going to do right now is I'm just going to play very slowly through the riff so that you can really get a good picture of it. So here we go. Again, if you need the tab, it will be in the description. It might be easier to look at that while I'm playing it. I'm going to play through the whole riff now, again, just at normal speed so you can see what it looks like normally. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you got to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now, the way it's going to work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is going to win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks, everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is going to win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free. It'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.